What if I told you that some of the most useful features in your Lexus were never explained in the owner's delivery, rarely mentioned by dealerships, and are quietly hiding in plain sight? From a trick that completely changes how your windows handle blistering summer heat, to a hidden transmission bypass most owners live without for years, let's dive in real quick. Feature 1. The air filtration hack. You might think your climate control system only adjusts temperature, but there's actually a hidden setting that changes how aggressively your Lexus filters the air entering the cabin. And once you learn how to activate it, you'll wonder why nobody talks about it. Many Lexus models feature an enhanced air filtration mode. To access it, place the car in park with the engine running, then press and hold the air circulation button. After that, use the AC temperature controls to adjust filter sensitivity from 0 to 3. Level 3 provides the most aggressive filtration, helping block pollutants and unpleasant odors from entering the cabin. For people living in busy cities or areas with heavy traffic, this hidden feature can make a noticeable difference in cabin air quality. It's amazing how much effort Lexus engineers put into passenger comfort. And speaking of making life easier, here's another feature that many owners accidentally discover years after buying their vehicle. Parallel parking can be stressful, especially when you don't want to scrape your expensive wheels against the curb. Thankfully, Lexus thought about that problem. Feature 2. The reverse parking mirror trick. But here's something most people miss. There is a mirror adjustment trick that activates automatically without requiring any complicated menus. And once you know the secret position of the mirror selector, parking becomes much easier. On many Lexus models, setting the side mirror remote control switch to the middle or right position allows the passenger side mirror to automatically tilt downward when reversing. This gives you a much clearer view of the curb during parallel parking, helping protect your wheels and making tight parking spaces far less stressful. Many owners drive their cars for years without realizing this function exists because it works silently in the background. Little conveniences like that are what separate Lexus from many competitors. But the next feature is particularly useful whenever you hand your car over to someone else. Imagine dropping your car off with a valet attendant and wanting extra peace of mind. Most people simply assume that whoever has the keys can access everything inside the vehicle. But Lexus engineers had another idea. Feature 3. The Valet Security Vault. There's a hidden security feature tucked away in an unexpected place, and activating it essentially gives your trunk its own layer of protection. Inside the glove box on numerous Lexus models, there's a hidden trunk lock switch. Once activated, the normal trunk release stops functioning, meaning access to the trunk becomes restricted. This is especially useful when using valet parking because valuables stored in the trunk remain inaccessible even if someone has temporary possession of the vehicle. That's why many people refer to it as Lexus's built-in valet mode. Feature 4. The unlabeled remote start hack. Now this next one feels almost like magic because there isn't even an obvious indication that it's working. Back in 2011, Lexus quietly included a remote start sequence on certain RX models, and surprisingly, many owners never discovered it. What's fascinating is that your key fob doesn't provide any clues whatsoever. No special button, no label, nothing. Yet a specific sequence unlocks a feature that feels incredibly luxurious on cold mornings or hot summer days. There's a little-known reason why certain Lexus models are valued so highly in the used market, and it's not because of their reliability. In fact, most buyers overlook the real factor that quietly separates these cars from their rivals. And once you hear it, you'll understand why some enthusiasts refuse to switch brands. On the 2011 Lexus RX, pressing the lock button twice and then holding it for about 3 seconds activates the factory remote start system. What's interesting is that the key fob itself gives almost no indication that this capability exists. Years. Some owners unknowingly carried around a hidden convenience feature without ever using it. Being able to cool or warm the cabin before entering the vehicle adds another layer of luxury to the ownership experience. Talk to any Lexus owner about luxury, comfort, and reliability, and you'll hear hours of conversation. But here's something that Lexus enthusiasts would rather you not print. Millions of drivers are paying for features they don't use. The cars have become so advanced these days that there are hidden settings, features, and tricks that the average owner may never know about. Touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel, cameras that can read road signs, Window functions you can perform remotely. Hidden climate control settings. Some owners go years without ever knowing these features are there. That is the ironic part. Drivers pay top dollar for a luxury experience, yet half the time, they aren't using half of what they paid for. Some Lexus owners even find these buried features accidentally years after purchasing the vehicle. Lexus has been criticized for making too many features hidden away in menus and settings when they could be easily seen and used. Others have defended Lexus by saying that they are just providing owners with more choices in technology. No matter how you look at it, there is one fact we know to be true. Owners today are driving around in six-figure Lexus vehicles unaware that they're not even using some of their car's best features. With so many warning lights on new dashboards, it's normal for drivers to see an odd-looking icon they aren't familiar with. Feature 5, the confusing safety guardian. At first glance, it looks like an unfamiliar indicator, and many drivers worry something serious has gone wrong. But the explanation is actually much simpler and could save you from driving around unknowingly with reduced visibility. Certain Lexus models display a special light out indicator whenever one of the rear brake lights has burned out. Instead of waiting for another driver to tell you or discovering the issue weeks later, your instrument panel alerts you immediately. Since functioning brake lights are essential for safety, this hidden warning system helps ensure other drivers can clearly see when you're slowing down. Feature 6, road sign assist deep configuration. Speaking of systems working behind the scenes, Lexus has become increasingly advanced with driver assistance technology. And the next feature is one that many owners of newer models accidentally overlook because it's buried inside menus. The 2024 Lexus NX includes a feature that constantly observes your surroundings and provides valuable information directly inside the gauge cluster. What's incredible is that this technology can actually recognize road signs and display them in front of you. But unless you know exactly where to enable it, you'll probably never realize your vehicle is capable of doing it. By navigating to the menu represented by the 6 squares on the center display and moving to the third page, drivers can enable this intelligent feature. Once activated, the gauge cluster displays detected speed limits and other road signs, helping keep important information directly within your line of sight. It's a subtle feature, but one that contributes to a safer and more informed driving experience. Feature 7, the Sub-Zero Windshield de-icer. Lexus engineers understand that luxury isn't just about leather seats and quiet cabins. It's also about handling the small annoyances that drivers encounter every day. And if you live somewhere with cold winters, this next hidden function becomes incredibly valuable. Snow and ice can quickly turn windshield wipers into streak-producing nightmares. Most drivers simply scrape ice manually and hope for the best. But Lexus had a smarter solution. Did you know, hidden beneath the windshield is a feature that many owners never even realize exists, and during harsh winters, it can dramatically improve visibility. Certain Lexus models incorporate heating elements near the base of the windshield where the wipers rest. These heating elements help melt accumulated snow and ice, reducing streaking and improving wiper performance. Drivers in colder climates appreciate how much easier this makes winter driving. Instead of fighting frozen blades, the vehicle quietly helps maintain clear visibility. Feature 8, Capacitive Touch HUD Syncing. But Lexus didn't stop there. The latest models are filled with technology that often goes unnoticed, simply because owners don't expect certain surfaces to be interactive. Take the steering wheel, for example. Most people assume buttons are just buttons, but on the newest Lexus vehicles, things are much more sophisticated. The touch-sensitive steering wheel controls found on the 2024 models are among the most overlooked innovations. These advanced controls allow drivers to interact with various functions while keeping their hands exactly where they should be. Instead of hunting through menus or reaching toward the center screen, important information can be accessed through intuitive touch surfaces integrated directly into the steering wheel. Once drivers become familiar with the system, everyday interactions feel smoother and more seamless. And by the way, if you love discovering these hidden functions, smart hacks, and little secrets that car manufacturers never really advertise, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because there are plenty more surprising features from Lexus that most drivers have absolutely no idea exist. Now, with that out of the way, wait until you see the next feature, because it might just be one of the smartest and most underrated functions Lexus has ever put into its cars. Feature 9, the amber and blue temperature. But not all hidden tech is created with convenience in mind. Your Lexus may have more to tell with its subtle clues. One of those is with the symbols on your dashboard, with one in particular that has sparked confusion across owners. Because it doesn't look like the warning lights or indicators that everyone is familiar with, a lot of drivers will most likely assume that it's nothing, and will even ignore it entirely. This has to do with the cooling system. Depending on the model, it could either mean that the engine is still warming up to its normal operating temperature, or it could mean there's something wrong in the cooling system that needs to be looked at. Knowing what your dashboard tells you can help avoid expensive vehicle repairs in the future, which is why you need to read the owner's manual and figure out what all the symbols mean, especially the ones you are unfamiliar with. At the core of Lexus's business model is one singular focus: reliability. Lexus has been deemed the gold standard of dependable automobiles for decades. Lexus's cars may be just a little too dependable. When highly confident, highly reliable cars like Lexus's become the standards of highly reliable vehicles, routine maintenance and repairs become less of a norm. Oil changes become not necessary, warning signs become unimportant, and highly reliable cars are generally less well maintained. What could have been a small repair now becomes a highly expensive problem. To add on to the shock value, many non-brand name mechanics are even saying that the number of Lexus cars that come to their shops because the owners believe that nothing could ever go wrong with their vehicles has actually increased more than what they would have ever imagined. What's even more surprising is that many independent mechanics say they regularly encounter Lexus vehicles that have been neglected simply because their owners assumed nothing could go wrong. The car's legendary reputation creates a false sense of security, and that's where the irony comes in. The very thing that made Lexus famous can sometimes become its biggest weakness. Reliability doesn't mean invincibility. In reality, some Lexus owners are damaging their cars not because Lexus built them poorly, but because the vehicles earned a reputation so good that people stop treating them like machines that still require proper care and attention. Features 10, the key fob summer ventilation hack. Here's one feature that feels like a party trick. It's really practical during hot summer months. Imagine approaching your car after it's been sitting in the sun for hours. The cabin feels like an oven. Touching the steering wheel hurts. Most people open one door, wait for the heat to escape. Lexus owners have a cooler option. Simply, hold the unlock button on many Toyota and Lexus key fobs for 3 to 5 seconds. In models, all the windows automatically lower. This lets trapped air escape before you even enter the vehicle. It's one of those luxuries that makes a big difference on hot days. Many owners discover this feature by accident years after buying their cars. Features 11, the deep diagnostic on-screen command. If you think the physical buttons are full of secrets, wait until you explore the central computer matrix itself. Most owners look at their luxury screens and think they are looking at standard infotainment. They have no idea that deep inside the central system code is a portal used exclusively by factory master technicians to troubleshoot system networks. To enter this secret diagnostic system, you hold down the main infotainment menu option button while simultaneously toggling your vehicle headlight control stalk from off to parking lights 3 consecutive times. Suddenly, the clean user interface disappears and is replaced by a stark diagnostic dashboard screen. This screen gives real-time access to the exact GPS receiver signal strengths, local network CAN bus data stream continuity, internal microphone voltage readings, and component connection verifications. This hidden window allows any driver to verify system functionality without paying an expensive dealership inspection fee. Feature 12, the mechanical transmission operation. What happens when your vehicle loses all power unexpectedly and you find yourself completely stranded in a dangerous location? Modern electronic shifters rely heavily on continuous 12-volt battery currents to engage shifts out of park. If your battery dies completely, you are essentially stuck. But Lexus engineers anticipated this absolute worst-case scenario. Right next to your automatic shifter sits a tiny, subtle plastic piece that seamlessly blends directly into the center console trim. By popping this plastic cover open using your internal key fob physical blade, you reveal a small mechanical plunger system beneath it. Depressing this hidden plunge mechanism mechanically releases the transmission park lock assembly. This allows you to smoothly shift the car straight into neutral, enabling you to safely push or tow your dead vehicle out of harm's way without causing permanent damage to the expensive transmission drivetrain gears. Feature 13, the concealed emergency door entry. Modern automotive designers love creating smooth, unbroken vehicle side silhouettes. Because of this modern aesthetic choice, newer Lexus models look like they don't even have any traditional mechanical key entry keyholes on their driver's side exterior door handles. But if your key fob battery fails completely, or an intense electromagnetic frequency jams your electronic entry signal, you are not locked out. If you pull the driver's side door handle outward and inspect the absolute bottom underside of the door handle assembly casing, you will find a hidden slot designed to fit the mechanical emergency key stored inside your master remote key fob. Inserting the blade and gently popping the sleek plastic end cap off reveals a solid metal keyed lock cylinder. This allows you to unlock your luxury car using pure, old-school physical leverage, ensuring complete access under any environmental condition. The philosophy of Omotenashi. Believe it or not, one hidden decision made by Lexus engineers decades ago still affects every vehicle the company builds today. The strange part is that most owners have no idea this philosophy even exists, yet it's one of the biggest reasons why driving a Lexus feels so different from driving almost anything else. This engineering approach is guided by the sacred Japanese philosophy of Omotenashi. This translates directly to a deep culture of anticipatory hospitality, the rare art of predicting a guest's intimate needs before they can even articulate them out loud. This core value explains exactly why these hidden systems operate so silently and seamlessly in the deep background. They aren't meant to be flashy gimmicks or self-indulgent marketing tools. Instead, they are quiet acts of thoughtful engineering designed to safeguard your comfort, your vehicle security, and your mechanical operations without ever demanding praise or making a scene. That's what makes Lexus so fascinating. Beneath the beautiful designs, quiet cabins, and legendary reliability lies an incredible amount of hidden engineering. Features like enhanced air filtration mode, automatic parking mirror adjustment, valet trunk lock, secret remote start, brake light indicators, road sign assist, wiper de-icers, touch steering controls, cooling system alerts, remote window operation, system diagnostics, and mechanical bypass switches all demonstrate the incredible level of thought Lexus puts into its vehicles. So if you learned something new today, chances are you're not alone. In fact, even lifelong Lexus enthusiasts are constantly uncovering features they never knew existed. That's part of the magic of these vehicles. They continue surprising you long after you've driven them off the lot. And now we want to hear from you. Which of these secret Lexus functions surprised you the most? And perhaps even more interesting, have you discovered any hidden Lexus tricks that most owners still don't know about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover even more hidden features and secrets that manufacturers don't always tell you about, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because we've got plenty more surprising discoveries coming your way. And please be sure to check out our previous video as well, and we'll see you in the next one.